Hi, I'm Randy at Donley Auctions, and in February our auction is going to have 150 helmets, with some of the highlights being this beautiful Riddell tanker helmet. They're very scarce, very hard to find. This one's in remarkable condition. And then we also have an experimental, an X51 helmet. Again, very scarce and hard to find for American helmet collectors. But we have a nice variety of helmets, including some World War I pieces like this World War I camouflage German helmet, or a great piece that fits two bills. This is a World War I American helmet painted up for the Elite Theater in Wisconsin, which was advertising Tell It to the Marines, a movie made in the 1920s. Great selection of helmets. Watch the video, you'll see what I mean. Hi, I'm Randy at Donley Auctions, and this month during our February auction we do have a nice selection of bayonets, over 140 bayonets in this one auction. Along with other highlights, we do have some German daggers like this police dagger or an SA or even a Nazi SS. But as far as a selection of trench knives, I mean, you won't find more in one auction. We've got a great selection of World War I trench knives, and again, 140 bayonets to choose from in one auction. Watch the video, you'll see what I mean. Hi, I'm Randy Donley from Donley Auctions, and this month's military auction features a nice collection of over 140 firearms, including, we have a nice trench riot gun here, and we even have a model A4. You're familiar with the 03A3. Here's the A4, which is the sniper version. Very hard to find. Also, nice selection of German and American weapons. Here's a very nice Mauser. We don't have a lot of pistols in this auction, but what we do have are nice pieces, a Model 27 Smith & Wesson. We have an Argentine 45, and of course the old Nambu pistol from World War II, an American capture. Watch the video and see what we have. I'm sure you'll be interested. This is an online auction. Hi, I'm Randy from Donley Auctions in Union, Illinois. And this month, our military auction features the cave dug collection from the Brad Hartsell collection of Iwo Jima artifacts. And of course, this month celebrates the 75th anniversary of Iwo Jima, and we've got a great collection of Japanese souvenirs from Iwo Jima. But some of the highlights of this collection include admirals' uniforms, Japanese admirals' uniforms. We have some nice Japanese samurai swords, which will be in the collection. And we even have a piece of canvas cut from a Japanese aircraft during World War II. This is a very nice collection of interesting items that will be on display and for sale. Watch the video and see what I mean.